Hey you, and welcome to this video where I help you out how to use the Blade app step by step for beginners. This is a very good app to book a charter or book your private helicopter or jump on a charter, and you have a lot of things that you can do. The first thing that you need to know is if you want to book a charter, we click here on charter, and then from here first of all select from where you want to fly. So let's say we want to fly from New York City, and then select here the destination where you want to go. Now let's say we want to go to South Florida. Then what you need to do is select here the date. Now let's say we want to go today, so confirm, and then select here with how many passengers you want to move. So let's say we want to go with 2 passengers. Then right here we click on start a charter request. Then right here select the time. Then do continue, and then now select your New York City area departure location. So let's see, the West 30th Street is fine, and then we want to go to Palm Beach. Then right now, if there's no helicopter available immediately, they ask you to send a inquiry. So if I click now on send inquiry, we send a charter request to Blade, and they will help us out for a good charter. Now, if you want a charter immediately, now let's say for example, we do from New York City to the Hamptons, and then with 2 persons. So let's see right here, and then we do confirm, and we do now start a charter request, and we do this time, and we do West 3rd Street to East Hampton. You see that this is a very popular flight. So right now they have just 4 helicopters available to book. Now then we choose a helicopter. So let's say we want the Augusta. Then you can choose right here if you want a private charter or just a crowdsource. Now crowdsource, then people can join you on a charter, and private charter is just for yourself. So let's say we want a private one, click on that. And then from now you see here your depart time, your Blade flight, and then land at East Hampton. Now they also recommend you to get a Blade ground connect. So upon landing, we'll drive you to your final destination. That's also cost you $300. Now you can also upgrade with a cancellation or rent a luxury car if you prefer that. Then right now we click here on checkout. And then right now you see just right here the receipt, the date, all those fees, and then the taxes. And then right here you can find here the payment method. Now if you want to change the payment method, click on this and then select if you want to pay by bank, pay by Apple Pay, or pay with crypto, because that is also an option. Now let's say I want to pay with Apple Pay, select that. Then they add a 3.5 credit card fee to it. Now you can also fill in here a code for your Blade. And then right now, if you scroll down, we click here on I have read and accept the terms above. And then we click now on book now. And if I double click now on this button, we just book this flight on Blade. Now right now, if you go back, and go back. We have also some events here where you can hop on if you're using Blade. Now here, Blade Live Palm Tree. If we click here on this event, we can click here on book a seat. Now you can go to the event where you like, but these are the options in the Blade app that you need to know. So this is in a nutshell the guide step by step for beginners on the Blade app. If you have questions or if you need something, please ask them in the comments so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.